Today we will see do while loop in JavaScript. First we will see how do while loop works. For that we will see the flowchart of do while loop. This is the flowchart of do while loop. The program starts. Then the code block in the do loop will be executed even if the condition is false. At that time also the code block in the do loop will be executed, or statements in the do loop will be printed. Then there is a while loop where the checking of the condition takes place. If the condition is true, then again the code block in the do loop will be executed. Then again testing of the condition takes place in the while loop. This process will continue till the condition becomes false. When the condition in the while loop becomes false, at that time loop terminates and program ends. Now we will see with the practical example how do while loop works. First we take variable I and initialize to 1. In this way we have taken do while loop. First we take do and in curly braces we have print the value of I and I increment by 1. And here in while the condition checking takes place. If we see the result, we get I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, I is equal to 4, I is equal to 5. This is the same program which we have seen in the while loop. If we give here 6, we see that 6 is greater than 5. So this condition becomes false. If we see here, we get the result I is equal to 6. So the main difference between while loop and do while loop is that the code block in the do loop will execute first. Even if the condition is false, the code block executes first time and the statement or statements in this block will be printed. After that, here condition checking takes place in while block. condition becomes false, so loop terminates. If the condition becomes true, at that time the loop will execute till the condition becomes false. So now here first time the code block executed, but after that the condition becomes false, so loop terminates and program ends. If we see the same example with while loop, we have taken the while loop. Here condition checking takes place at first time. So if the condition becomes false, then this loop will never execute. The loop will execute only the condition becomes true. So if we see the result, we can see with while loop there is no any result because the condition is false. Here we can see while loop is at the end, and here we can see while loop is at the beginning. So first time we get the result even if the condition is false, and here we can't get any result if the condition is false. We get the result only if the condition is true. So that's all for do while loop in JavaScript. Thanks for watching.